So we're going to run through a step-by-step process on how to build one of these things. Going to start making it out of demolition timber. People think that demolition timber is just stuff to throw away, but it's not. It's one of the best timbers you can use. They've been seasoned and pinned straight for 50, 80, 100 years, and the timber back then in the old world forests is a lot better than the shit you get today. But I wasn't going to make a series out of making a guitar, but my shorts were doing quite well with the numbers on YouTube. And all the editing. I hate editing. Ugh.
Warning. Failed to press F3.
What the fuck? I did press F3.
Warning, file did not save.
Oh, you're fucking joking, right? No fucking way.
PS you suck dog's
Oh, what the fuck? So, why not? Let's have a go at this. So this is what I've dragged out of old demolition houses. This here, that's a veranda post out of cedar. That's worth a lot of money. People just chuck this shit away, man. It's like the best timber you can use. Like, look at this crap. People just throw this away. I'm just going to drag out this lump and we'll send it through the thickness ray. So I'm just about to send this piece through the thicknesser. So there's the dog shit. And there's the good shit. Oh yeah. Smell that cedar. Oh my god. Just going to drag some blackwood out of me blackwood bin. Oh yeah, that can be for the neck. Look at that. Alright, I've let this set overnight. So I'm just going to remove the clamps. As this is the neck, you really got to make sure that you clamp that square. So I'm just going to send this through the thicknesser again, eh? This is really fucking loud, this machine, eh? Neighbours love it. Turn her up to fucking 11. Look at fucking that. Bloody beautiful, eh? Came out a winner. Oh my god. Now what I've got to do next is run a truss rod channel through the middle here. So I'm going to do that first while this is all still square, and then I'm going to cut it all out. Need a fucking square. Where the fuck is it? Aha, found it. One of the most important things about building a guitar is make sure everything's square and flush and millimetre fucking perfect. Otherwise she ain't going to be right at the end of the day. That's when the guitar's going to turn out like a pile of dog shit. So make sure everything's half a mil. Like we don't use that bullshit in Australia here. Fucking inches. We get to millimetres, mate. Get it fucking half a mil. Fucking that precise. Alright, so I just dug out some Australian she oak for a fretboard. Look at the grain on that. But it's only 5 mil thick, so it's a bit light on. By the time I put a slight curve on there for like your finger playing, I'm going to just pack it out with a lump of jarrah. Like that's about 3 mil. So that gives me about 8 mil. And time I put a little bit of curvature on there, like the sides should come to 5-6 mil, which is what you want. 2 lumps of absolute strong as lumps of timber, the jarrah and the she oak. Oh, what a mess. It's like my friggin' head in there. When you put tension on the strings, it tends to want to come back up. So that's why you've got to bring it back down. That's what this is designed for. Otherwise your action in the middle of the neck become too big. We'll want to do that. And that's what you don't want. And then you're going to get fret fuzz up the top here as well. So you want to get it sitting pretty fucking good. You mean? Man, I have to change drill bits and fucking Jesus, this thing's fucking stuck. Fuck's sake. It's always the fucking way. Yeah. Tighten that up. Tight like a tiger. Oh shit, yeah. It's a fan wanting thing. Don't want shit flying around everywhere, man. No. Right. That like that. Do it up properly. Don't be shy now. when you don't use these tools for a while, they kind of get stuck. It's my own friggin' fault. Get that at about, say, 3 or 4 mil. Yeah, I don't like to take out the whole lot in one go. Yeah, it can kind of chatter as you're going along. And it wants to kind of jump around. So I'd rather do 2 or 3 smaller passes than one big one and take out the whole lot and then it jumps around, and yeah, that's when things can get dangerous and ugly. So set that at that's about 4 mil. So I need to get down, I think that's about 11 mil. 11 millages. Oh, 9 actually. 9 mil. Last one's, oh no, it's because of that. There we go. I knew it was 11. See how it's got a little step there? You fucking knew that. Yeah, so that's about 11 mil. 6 mil. 6 mil. Yanks would know what the fuck I'm talking about. What the fuck, 6 mil? What the fuck, man? They know what a 9mm Uzi is. 3 mil fucking less than that. That's what it is. Now you want this exactly centre as well. Exactly centre of your neck. Just see if this fits now. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, perfect. Oh, now I can't get the fucking cunt out. There we go. Beautiful. So that fits now. Alright, so this is the original guitar. I've made it 50 mil thick, the body. Alright, so here I've made it in 2 pieces. So this is the face. This piece here is actually the face that I'm going to bevel out and do this thing. And that piece there is the body, which I'm going to like make it hollow. So all this is going to be like churned out. So the overall measurement I got there is 65, so I've got to bring it down by 15 mil. So I'll take it out of this piece, because here's where the magic happens. See all this scalloping and beveling? I need that 20 mil, that's 25, 22 mil, so I can come down about 15 mil, and that leaves a lot more strength in the face. Yeah, and when you hollow it out also, it takes out a lot of weight in the guitar. These are really light guitars, and cedar itself, the timber, is really, really light timber as well. So, you know, if you've got back problems or whatever, they're awesome to play. So that's about how much I'm going to be taking out of it, just to thin it down. Got to run it all the way through though. Yeah, and then I'll have a template. I'll run this through the thicknesser once, because it's probably going to be a little bit jaggedy edge. Oh yeah, look at that. It's 50 mil thick now, people. That's what the fans want. Gets a bit too fat if they're over 50 mil, I reckon. Yeah, anywhere between 40 and 50 mil is a good thing. 45 is a good measurement. Because this is a hollow body, I'm going on just a little bit wider, 50, just to give the face and the back a little bit more. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fucking cut this down. I've marked the thicknesses and all the dimension and all the angles of the neck. So now I'm just going to run it through my bandsaw, and yeah, just going to give this a second. So there she is. I've got those stabby bits on the end, so you can stab your singer in the eye when he decides to play some country. Know when to hold 'em. No, bang! We're not playing country here, mate. We're playing freaking death metal. So I've got some absolutely wafer thin cedar here. I like personally to have the headstock the same like timber, or the timber colour. Well, that's still solid timber. So I like to match them up. I like to match the headstock up with the body. And then when you go to paint it, you've got the same headstock with the body, like they're matching. So I like to do that. Other people, they just leave it like that as well, which is fine. But you can kind of see like the stringers and the beauty of the timber from the back. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut up a few bits and pieces of these, like so. You can, I mean, this is how thin it is. You can just cut this with like, these are tin snips, but you can even cut this with scissors if you wanted to. Like it's 1/2 mil thick. See that? It's got a, I don't know, got a little nail hole there. I'm going to get rid of that. And I can go again. So I'm going to glue that like that in there, and that should curve. There's a bit of a curve there, but that should curve in. I like to do it, other people don't. You do you, I don't know. So I've actually kept this off cut because that's got a little rounded bit there which will fit into there, and that will press this cedar veneer into there, so it's a good like positive and negative clamp. It's all in one shape. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Glue her up, man. You start getting shit everywhere. Shit everywhere. I'm really bad for wiping glue and paint and crap all over my clothes. And then paint on it too. Alright, I'm going to glue this side, no. There we go, there's a ton of glue coming out now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, that's too much glue. That's the other thing, you wipe it on the desk, down there, like I was doing. And then you go to lean up against it. Just gets everywhere. I'm such a messy worker. Alright, take 2 with this. Alright, now another trick that I learned back in arm is to cover up your glue edge. See this glue seam? See I'm getting a touch of glue through that seam? If I go to put that down on it, it's going to get glued to it. So, I just run a bit of tape. Ah, man. Nothing works when you want it to. Bit of tape like that. That kind of hold it in place too, a little bit. Stop it from sliding that way anyway. Alright, now we want that. So stay tuned for episode 2 of this heavy metal Metalhead guitar build. Share this to all your friends, please like, please subscribe, and if you want anything go to my website, it's linked in the description below. You can buy these guitars, you can buy t-shirts and prints, do all that too. See you next time.